Bird machine. Check.
Welcome back to the CNC channel. This time, I want to show you how to install Movie Maker with offline installer. First, you can open nosware.com and then download. You can click start download. Okay, wait until finish. Until your download finish, you can open uh, the program and you can skip installation if asking to install .NET 2.0 with 3.5. We can choose custom program to install, so we can select number second listed menu, and then we need to install just only Movie Maker. We can select Movie Maker only and deselect another options. Okay, don't forget to click install. Wait until installation completed. After completed, you can open your Movie Maker and start to creating beautiful video clip with your Movie Maker video editor. The process of installing is need few some time or take approximately 5 minutes, so you can just wait until the progress bar is fully with a green color. Never confused? How about link to download Movie Maker? I put the link download for Movie Maker into this video description, so you can just click a link I put in the description and you will find Movie Maker download page in there. If you have any questions or any your opinion about Movie Maker, you can fill in the form comment below. The installation has been completed. We can try to open our Movie Maker video editor, and we can accept license agreement here, and we can start with our first time project. You can just click file and you can make new project. With new project, we can add photos and video into our timeline project and start to creating beautiful video. That's all. How to install Movie Maker offline. I hope this useful. Thanks for watching and bye bye.